today I have the day off and I've decided to go for a little nature walk with my mum in the woods around Liverpool. This is her. Say hi, Mum.
Hi.
Hi! This is the first video of my vlog and I'll be adding loads more, a lot more interesting ones as well hopefully. So yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe.